Lesson number Adarsul Ishrun. Adarsul Ishrun. 20 lesson. Lesson number 20. Now the dialogue is between Layla and Salma. See, Dr. Sahib has mentioned you. Layla and Salma. See how they are written. Not with ta marbuta. We are going to study this later on. That the feminine names will come on this pattern also. Huh? With the alif maksura. Ya Salma, afi fasliki talibatun minasini wal yabani. I repeat again. Ya Salma, afi fasliki talibatun minasini wal yabani. Naam. Now it is the muannas, brother. Watch. That's why I say highlight those numbers, especially the ending of it, for you to understand. Naam. Fi faslina khamsu talibatin. Why it is khamsu, brother? Because the ma'dud is muannas. What is the reason? The ma'dud is muannas. So the others will become muzakkar. Khamsu talibatin. Make it 5 male students. Khamsatu tulabin. Make it female students. Khamsu talibatin. That is the difference we have to bear in mind. Minasini wa arba'u talibatin min al-yabani wa thamani talibatin min Indonesia. Now you have to remember one thing, brother. This noun, actually it is samanin. Okay? We are going to learn this in detail in book 3. The first lesson of book 3, we will learn this kind of noun. Okay? Okay. Look at this, brother. Madin. Qadin. This Wadin is the valley. Now why are this way? We are going to learn it. So right now we just bear in mind that when you are counting muzakkar, ma'dud, it will become samaniya 2. And when you are counting muannas, ma'dud, it will become samani. Are you with me? Samani. Okay? So there is a difference. For example, if I say salasu, arba'u, khamsu, there is a pattern. Sittu, sab'u, and then samani. The pattern changed. Again, tis'u, ashru. Are you with me? I go back again. Salasu, guessing that the ma'dud is muannas, arba'u, and then khamsu, sittu, sab'u, and then samani. We got to just memorize the spelling. Only in samani. Why it is like this, we will study later on. There is no need to go in detail now. But then again, tis'u and asharu. Ashru. Okay? Also you will have to watch some things, for example, asharatu. And then it's ashru. Okay, so these small things, you have to be careful. But in written Arabic, when you read newspaper and magazine, there are no vowel signs. So the person, who is actually writing an article, he just skips the vowel signs. So, we don't know. But as a student, we should know it properly. Okay. So, Samani Talibatin, 8 students from Indonesia. Is it clear? Okay. At home, brothers and sisters, use your highlighters. And in identifying numbers, how they are ending. Okay. It is Khamsu. Okay. And it is Arba'u. And then the Ma'dud is Muannas. So it will give you a good idea, inshallah. Laila says, Fi faslina, in our class, Fi faslina. So what is Fi faslina, brother? Before also, now also, Fi faslina. How many words are there? 3, brother. What are they? Fi, harfshar, fasli, isam majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and na mudaf ilayh. You should be very clear of this. No confusion should be now. Fi faslina, how many words? 3. Faslina is mudaf ilayh. And then fi fasli is jar majroor. Are you with me? So you will be very clear now. And I think we have worked very hard. There should not be any problem. Fi faslina, fi harf jar, fasli, ism majroor, shibu jumla, khabar. Jar majroor, shibu jumla, khabar. Na mudaf ilayhi. Na mudaf ilayhi. Sahi? If there is a mudaf ilayhi, sister Manas, then there has to be a mudaf. So mudaf is there, okay? Where is our mubtada? Thalathu or khamsu in that case. Let us do khamsu, okay? Khamsu. This is your mubtada. Wahuwa mudaf. And talibatin mudaf ilayhi. Minasini jar majroor. We don't want to go in more detail. Wa arba'u. What is arba'u? Ma'tufun ala khamsu. ठीक है? Are you with me? Wow, ataf came. Brother Abdul Samad. Ma'tufun ala khamsu. Wa huwa mudaf and talibatin mudaf ilayhi min al yabani. And wa thamani. What is thamani? Ma'tufun ala khamsu. Wa huwa mudaf and talibatin mudaf ilayhi. Very good. The same thing will be thalathu talibatin min al hindi wa sittu talibatin min al Philippini wa sab'u talibatin min al Kuwait. So it's very beautifully explained, brother. All the numbers are coming here. Okay? In the construction of these dialogues, Dr. Abdurrahim does wonders. And he explains us everything, inshallah. Salma, kam ukhtan lakiya Layla. How many sisters do you have, Layla? What is the answer? Laki became li thalathu akhawatin. Akhawatin is muannas, so the adad became muzakkar. Thalathu akhawatin. Fine. Thalathu is your mubtada, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Then Salma says, kam akhan laki. What is the answer? Li khamsatu. See, now the ta marbuda came because the ma'dud is muzakkar. Khamsatu ikhwatin. Khamsatu ikhwatin. Fine. Salma says, lucky to you, you have, lucky to you or you have. So what is lucky? Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Where is our mubtada? Thalasu akhawatin. Wa mudahma. Wa khamsatu. What is khamsatu? Ma'tufun ala. I'm sure you are comfortable now. Means it is linked with Thalasu. Ikhwatin mudaf ilayhi. Very good, brother. Layla. Naam, again I repeat the rule. If the ma'dud, which is always jama, sahi, it is always jama when we are counting from 3 to 10. Only from 3 to 10. In this rule, remember we are only doing today, we are only doing today this much. So the ma'dud is always jama. Okay. Now if the ma'dud is muzakkar, then the number becomes opposite, muannas. If the ma'dud is muannas, then the number becomes muzakkar.
But in this,
See, where?
Ikhwatin is
No, akhawatin. Okay, here. Look at this. Look at this. Ukhtun. Ukhtun. What is ukhtun? Muannas. It is muannas, see? What is the jama of ukhtun? Akhawatun. Okay. What is this? Akhun.
not that one. I'm talking about this one, Laila.
Okay, one second. Akhun. What is the jama? Ikhwatun. 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 But this is, even though it is ta marbuta, but it is muzakkar. It is muzakkar. Okay, it is muzakkar. So Layla says, Li thalathu akhawatin. Is it clear? Thalathu akhawatin. Clear? Now then again, when Salma asks her, Wakam akhan laki, she says, Li khamsatu ikhwatin. So what is ikhwatin? Muzakkar. What is ikhwatin? Muzakkar. Okay. And then Salma repeats that sentence. Okay. Lucky means you have, according to what Layla answered. Salma says, Lucky salasu akhwatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin. Is it clear now? This statement is just the repetition. See, again, that is again the beauty of Dr. Abdurrahim. Just trying to repeat it for us to get used to it. They came together. They came together. Naam, Layla says Naam, that is correct. Now she's asking Salma, wa kam akhan wa ukhtan laki. Kam akhan wa ukhtan. How many brothers and sisters you have? Now Salma says, Li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhwatin. See now, same numbers. Isn't it beautiful, brother? Same numbers with ma'dud different. Mudhakkar and muannas. So what is li? Sister Salma, jar marju. Two words. Shubu jumla khabar. Where is our mubtada? Arba'atu. Wa huwa mudaf. And then ikhwatin. What is ikhwatin, Salma? Mudaf ilayhi. And then came waw, ataf. Are you with me? And then what is arba'u? Ma'tufun ala arba'atu. And why arba'atu? Because now the ma'dud is muannas. Arba'u akhawatin. So akhawatin is muannas. Ikhwatin, even though there is a ta marbuta, it is muzakkar. It's a plural form because we are all doing plural. Now I didn't want to tell you, but I will also mention that sometimes you will see the plural looking like muannas. Okay? But in numbers, we will always go to the singular. And if the singular was muzakkar, the number will be accordingly. If the singular was muannas, the number will be accordingly. The plural form we have to use, but sometimes the plural may look like muannas. But then we got to go back to the singular to see, was it truly muannas or muzakkar. And then accordingly we will construct the sentence. When it comes, I will tell you, inshallah. Laila says, Li zamilatun. I want you to make a full stop there. Because if the sentences are simple, our understanding is better. Li zamilatun. What is the meaning of li zamilatun? How will you translate? Li zamilatun. I have I have a friend. I have a friend, because it is indefinite. Now, tun means I have a female friend. Okay, but I have a friend. Here truly it means I have a colleague. I have a colleague. Okay, I have an associate, a feminine associate. Okay, full stop. Li. What is li? Jar majrur, shubu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Zamilatun. Make a full stop there. Okay, just for us to understand properly. Ismuha Khadijatu. So what is ismuha? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. But we want ismu mubtada wa huwa mudaf and ha mudaf ilayh. I want to make a simple sentence, okay? Khadijatu will be the khabar. Now full stop. Laha, she has, jar majrur, shubu jumla. Laha samaniyatu, mubtada, mudaf, mudaf. Samaniyatu ikhwatin. Are you with me? Samaniyatu ikhwatin. See, samaniyatu muannas. Why? The ma'dud is muzakkar. Ikhwatun, ikhwatin. Samaniyatu ikhwatin. Okay? Wa samani. See here, I told you, this is the word which we have to be careful about spelling. Samaniyatu. And then, if the ma'dud is muannas, akhawatin, then it became samani. Got the idea? Samani. It became samani. Inshallah. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Okay. So, samaniyatu was mubtada, and then samani was ma'tufun ala samaniyatu. Very good. Okay. Brother, everybody should participate. Everybody should say loudly. Ready? Ikra waktub. Tamarinu. Ready? Salasu talibatin. Arba'u talibatin. Khamsu talibatin. Sittu talibatin. Sab'u talibatin. Thamani talibatin. Tis'u talibatin. Ashru talibat. See, look at ashru. There is a sukoon on Sheen. Watch for it, okay? Highlight it if you can. Okay, fine. Now, brothers and sisters, all the knowledge of our plurals so far that we have learned will be put to use. Okay. Gorafatun. What is the plural of gorafatun? Gorafun. What is it? Gorafun. Gorafun. Okay? You know, when you write, do your homework, if you can understand. If it is a plural, write down singular to understand. Okay? I will tell you to write down. Fine. Ikra waqtu. Fi baytina. How many words are there? Three. Brother, if you say two, then I feel sad. Then I feel sad. Fi baytina, fi harf jar, bayti ism majrur wa huwa mudaf, and na mudaf ilayh. In our house, fine. Fi bayti jar majrur shubu jumla khabar. Fi baytina, where is our mubtada? Thalathu. What is it? Thalathu. Why thalathu, brother? MashaAllah, excellent, brother Abdul Samad. Gorafin is plural, but we don't know Gorafin, so we go to the original. What is Gorfatun? So it is muannas. So in this case, the adad became muzakkar. So Gorafin, write down Gorfatun for your practice, write down Gorfatun. Fil jamiyati. Now this is easy. Jar majrur shibhu jumla khabar. Ashru hafilatin. See, ashru hafilatin. What is the singular of hafilatun? Hafilatun. Hafilatun. So it's a muannas. Okay. Fi hadhil madrasati. Fi hadhil madrasati. Okay, brother, what is fi? Harf jar. Hadhi ism majrur. Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Okay, brother, and what is this al madrasati? Badal. Mashallah, mashallah. Inshallah, now we are understanding badal very well. Okay. Samani. Mubtada. Wahuwa mudaf. And mudarrisatin, female teachers. There are 8 female teachers in this school. Okay. Okay, brother, here comes our favorite. We want to make this as our favorite. What is that? Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Yes, yeah, mashallah. Abbasun. Okay, what is Abbasun? Has to be moved to that. Leave it aside. And circle the lahu sab'u banatin. Lahu sab'u banatin. So what is lahu? Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Sab'u. Why it is sab'u, not sab'atu? Because the ma'dud is muannas. Bintun banatun. So sab'u banatin. So banatin is your mudafili. So we got our lahu khabar, sabu mubtada. This is a sentence. Circle it. And this is coming as a khabar for Abbas. You got the idea? So if Abbas is mubtada, where is the khabar? Jumla ismiya. Where is the khabar? Jumla ismiya. But before we say jumla ismiya is khabar, we have to analyze lahu and then sabu banatin, we analyze it, and then we say this jumla is a khabar for Abbas. Got the idea? Fi baytina. Fi baytina, how many words, brother? 3 words. So you have fi bayti, jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar, na mudaf ilayhi. Okay. Tis'u dajajatin. في بيتنا 9 دجاجات. في بيتي جار مجرور شبه جملة خبر نا مضاف إليه 9 مبتدا وهو مضاف دجاجات مضاف إليه. Fine, brother. في الجامعة جار مجرور شبه جملة خبر 5 kulliyatin. There are 5 faculties. Mubtada, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. See, alhamdulillah, brother and sister, it gives me immense pleasure that our hard work of understanding mubtada khabar makes things easy for you. And wait till we go to book 2. Inshallah, you are going to love it and you are going to enjoy it. Fil mustashfa. Fil mustashfa. What is fil mustashfa, brother? Jar majur shibu jumla khabar. Okay. Where is our mubtada? Ashru. Huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Tabibatin. Wa arba'u. Ma'tufun ala ashru. Mumarridatin. Brother, it should be the other way around. There cannot be more doctors than nurses. The nurses are more than doctors in the hospital. Are you with me? In Canada, we have more nurses than doctors in the hospital. Anywhere, I guess. Yes. Ashru, tabibatin, wa arba'u mumarridatin. Okay, fine. Okay, again our favorite. When I say our favorite, what do I mean? Jumla ismiya is coming as a khabar. So I again telling you a note. Khalidun mubtada. Leave it aside. So manners, What is the next jumla? Lahu. What is lahu? Shumla jab khabar. Ma. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yes. Okay, now. MashaAllah. So whole of this jumla is coming as a khabar for Khalid. MashaAllah. Excellent, Sister Manas. Zadikillahi ilman. Ya ukhtana. Ya ukhtana. Oh, our sister. May Allah bless you with more ilm and all of us, inshallah. Yes.
Could you go over what's the abna'in?
Yeah. Abna'in, salasatu abna'in. What is the translation?
No, what's the its role? Sentence.
But abna'in is mudaf ilayhi. And when the numbers are there, the mudaf ilayhi is always plural. And that is, abna'in is plural. It is ma'dud. It is called ma'dud, things which is being counted. And if the thing which is being counted is, of course, jama, okay, it is mudaf ilayhi. But if it is muzakkar, then the number will become muannas. Okay? So, can you see thalasatu? That is the number. And it is muannas. We added ta marbuta there. And then abna in, mudaf ilayhi. Please remember, the numbers between 3 and 10 have the construction of mudaf ilayhi. Okay. Now, brother and sister, li, I have. Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. What do I have? I have khamsatu ikhwatin. See, khamsatu, 5 brothers. Then that is, khamsatu is your mubtada. Wa sittu akhawatin. And I got 6 sisters. So not sittatu, but sittu. And sittu is mawtufun ala khamsatu. Got the idea? If we have to analyze it. Okay. Fi hadhal kitabi. Fi hadhal kitabi. What is fi? Hadha jar majrur. What is kitabi? Badal. Badal. Fi harchar. Haza ism majrur. Jar majrur. Shubu jumla khabar. And what is al kitabi? Badal. Okay. Fine. Darsun singular. Duru sin. So it became, dars is muzakkar. Darsun is muzakkar. So it became asharatu durusin. What is the meaning of this sentence? In this book there are 10 lessons. 10 lessons. Very good. Now it is lana. What is the meaning of lana? We have. How many? What is the meaning? We will say we have. What do you have? Arba'atu amamin. I've got 4 uncles. Wa khamsu ammatin. And I've got 5 aunts. Brothers, fathers, brother and sisters. Is it clear? Sister Arifa? Inshallah, it is very clear? Okay. Fi baladi. In my country. How many words, brother? 3. Fi baladi, fi harfjar, baladi, ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, ya mutakallam, mudaf ilayhi. Fi baladi, khamsu jamiatin. There are 5 universities. Okay? Khamsu, mubtada, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Okay, brothers and sisters? And then we have fi hadha darsi. Again, fi hadha jar majrur shubu jumla khabar dars badal. Fi hadha darsi thamani. Thamani mubtada mudaf and then kalimatin. Okay, kalimatin. New words. There are 8 words. And then what is jadida? Naat. Jadidatin. Kalimatin jadidatin. But the kalimatin is a plural and jadidatin is a singular. Why? Kullu jama muannas. This is our rule. Very good, brother. In the hind, zarf, shibu jumla khabar, ya mutakalam, mudaf ilayhi, salasu mubtada wa huwa mudaf, and then majallatin. Why majallatin? It's a muannas. Majallatun, majallatun, majallatin. Okay, brothers. Is it clear? I hope. Our speed was little fast. Sister Nasreen, inshallah it is clear. So at home tonight, in the evening, you will just revise that if the ma'dud is muzakkar, then adad is muannas. If the ma'dud is muannas, the adad is muzakkar. So just think, inshallah, and do it. And if you will write it, brother, these are all ikra waqtu. You got to do a lot of writing tonight. Inshallah. You have to burn midnight oil tonight. Okay. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati musta'milan al-adad al-mazkura bayna kausaini. Bayna kausaini. Okay. So what is in the bracket? Now you will try to do it. Okay, we'll see if we can finish the lesson, brother. Sister Salma, kam akhan laka. Kam akhan laka, or I can say to you, kam akhan laki. Li. No, first you have to bring the number. So number? No. Even if you have two brothers, you got to say, I got 6 brothers. Whatever is in the bracket. Li sittatu ikhwatin. Akhun is ikhwatin. Li sittatu ikhwatin. There's a lot of writing to be done, brothers and sisters. But I hope you will do it. This is a jihad, This is a big jihad for us. Okay? Fine. Sister Hafsa, next one is yours. Kam ukhtan laki. Khamsu akhawatin. So now you got to memorize the plurals also. Li khamsu akhawatin. Okay. Sister Abir, kam bakratan fil haqli. How many cows are in the field? You can say fihi. Ashru. Ashru bakaratin. Ashru bakaratin. Okay. So bakaratun is muannas, so ashru. We have to use ashru. Okay, sister. No, fihi. No, if you want to say fil haqli also. Fil, no, not ha. Fihi. Because haql is muzakkar. Or you can say fil haqli. You can say that, but fihi is also correct. Sister Naima, number 4. Kam talibatan jadidatan fil fasli. Now this is a really nice question. What will you say? Fihi. Fihi, how many? Talibatan. So what will you say? Tesa'u talibatin. And then what will you say about the nath? Nahi. Jududin. Why? It is akil. Are you with me? It is akil. You will say jududin. Fihi tesa'u talibatin jududin. Okay? Sister Fatima, kam tabibatan fi mustashfal wiladati. How many female doctors are in the maternity hospital? You can say fi mustashfal wiladati Samani tabibatin. Very good. Sister Sumayya. Kam hafilatan fil jamia. Translate, sister. Kam hafilatan fil jamia. Fil jamiati. What is the translation? How many buses in the university? What will you say? No, either you say fil jamiati or you will say fiha. Both will be correct. Fil jamiati. No, hafilatun. What will be the plural of hafilatun? Hafilatun. So what will you say, sister? Sittu. Why sittu? Because the other is madud is muannas. Sittu hafilatin. Is it clear? Brother Muhammad, is it clear? Sister Salma? It makes sense? See, hafila is muannas. So you will say sittu. Inshallah, tonight when you write down in the evening at home, it should make it very clear. Okay, brother. Next one is, sister, whose turn is it now? Sumaya, Sister Arifa. Sister Arifa, Kam ibnan laki li arba'atu abna'in. MashaAllah, correct. Sister Nasreen, Kam bintan laki li sab'u banatin. Sab'u banatin. Okay. Sister Mehnaz, Kam jamiatan. See, can you see? We are using now tamiz, and it is all mansub. Kam jamiatan. No vowel signs. But you can figure out. Kam jamiatan fi baladika or fi baladiki. What will you say? Fi baladi. What will you say? Salasu jamiatin. MashaAllah. Jamiatin is muannas, so it became salasu. Nusrat, Kam kitaban indaki indi samaniyatu kutubin. Indi samaniyatu kutubin. Are you clear, inshallah? Very honest, brother. The questions are easy. The only thing confusing in our mind, because this is the new concept, is that we have to remember adad ma'dud, adad ma'dud. Adad and ma'dud. Okay? They are mudaf ilayhi. If the ma'dud is mudhakkar, adad becomes muannas. If the ma'dud is muannas, adad becomes mudhakkar. That is what we have to keep it in mind. Okay, brothers and sisters, we still have time. We'll inshallah try to do Ikra. But brother, I would rather say Ikra waktub. Read and write. Okay? Now, in this, the numbers are given. You have to change those numbers into writing. Okay, Brother Hassan. Brother Farooq, first is your sentence. Li, what is 4? Arba'atu. Why arba'atu and not arabu? Because ikhwatin. Ikhwatin is there, so I have to say arba'atu. Ikhwatin wa salasu akhawatin. Are you with me? Now I tell you something, brothers and sisters. These lessons are the most beautiful lessons. The way Dr. Sahib has designed this is marvelous. You won't find this kind of a dars or this kind of exercise anywhere. And truly speaking, if you put your effort and write it, you will, inshallah, have a good hold on it, inshallah. So do make an effort to write. Hafsa? Inshallah. Sister Salma? Harifa, everybody, you should all write it. Sumayya, you got to write it. By writing, you will become strong and you will master it, inshallah. Inshallah. Okay. number, brother. Okay, this is our favorite sentence, huh? Okay, what is it, Brother Hassan? Muhammadun. Why will you say Muhammadu, brother? Why do you want to take away one tanween? Huh? Shall I say, are you too hungry? That you ate away one tanween? No, Muhammadun. Okay. What will be next one? Lahu. Lahu. Abna'in. In. Tanween. An. Abna'in. Wa. Samani. MashaAllah. Leave Samani Bana. MashaAllah. Excellent. Brother Abdul Samad. Indi. Kutubin. Yes. Wa. Saba'u. Majallatin. Majallatin. So plurals are given. You just have to match the proper number. Huh? Translate, brother, Abdul Samad.
I have, for me, I have 10 books.
Yeah. And 7
7
magazines. Brother, Indi means I have. Huh? Or with me, you can say. Huh? Fine. Brother Said, Fil Mustashfa. Yeah. Fil Mustashfa. Tesa'u tabibatin wa sittu mumaridatin. So, in this case, the ma'dud is muannas, so number has to be muzakkar. Sahi? Okay, inshallah. Brother, how many shirts do you have?
عندي 4 قميصان.
Kumsanin. No, again, write down kumsanin. Huh? I mean, the singular is kamisun. So plural is kumsanin. Fine. Sister Salma. Li hadhihi sayyara ti mashallah. Because it is badal. The hadhihi is a majrur because of li. Li hadhihi sayyarati. Because bab is muzakkar. Arba'atu abwabin. What is the meaning of it?
The car has 4.
This car.
This car has 4 doors.
Yes. This car has 4 doors. Sister Hafsa. Fi. Khamsatu hurufin. In this word there are 5 letters. Abir. Madrasatina. Madrasatina. In our school, Madrasatina. Samani. Because it is muannas. Samani mudarrisatin. Samani mudarrisatin. So mudarrisatin is muannas, so the number became samani. Got the idea? Inshallah. Sister Naima. Fi baytina. In our house. You seems to have a party there. Fi baytina asharatu rijalin. Asharatu rijalin. Wa ashru nisa'in. See, what a beautiful sentence. We can figure out easily. Fi baytina asharatu rijalin wa ashru nisa'in. So it gives you an exact idea whether to use mudhakkar and where to use muannas. Very good, brother. Now comes our jumla failure. Zahaba abi. Where is the fi'al? Zahaba. Where is the fa'il? Abu. Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Okay. Zahaba abi ila Riyadh. Now comes qabla. That is zarf. We must have now mudaf ilayh. Okay. So what is 3 days? Yawm is mudhakkar. So ayamin. Okay, what will you say? salasatu ayyamin. But because qabla has come, you will say salasati ayyamin. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? Qabla. Qabla. Look at it, brother, carefully. Qabla. What is qabla? Zarf. And then what is salasati? Mudaf ilayhi. Wa huwa mudaf. And ayyamin mudaf ilayhi. Clear? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay, brother. Same thing. Uktub. Write, brother, the numbers from 3 to 10 and make them the kalimat ma'dud, the thing counted. Okay. Sayaratun. Can we do it quickly? Oh, I think we will try to do quickly. Okay. What will you say? Read it. Salasu sayaratin, arba'u sayaratin, khamsu sayaratin, sittu sayaratin, sab'u sayaratin, samani sayaratin, tis'u sayaratin, ashru sayaratin. Okay, brother? Salasu akhawatin, arba'u akhawatin, khamsu akhawatin, sittu akhawatin, sab'u akhawatin, thamani akhawatin, tis'u akhawatin, ashru akhawatin, thalathu talibatin, arba'u talibatin, khamsu talibatin, sittu talibatin, sab'u talibatin, thamani talibatin, tis'u talibatin, ashru talibatin. Are you with me, brother? You should be saying louder than me. You are relaxed and sitting and you are not saying loudly. You should say loudly. Scream, brother. It will make you strong. Huh? Majallatun, okay? Thalathu majallatin. Arba'u majallatin. Khamsu majallatin. Sittu majallatin, sab'u majallatin, thamani majallatin, tis'u majallatin, ashru majallatin. Okay, brother. Thalasu banatin, arba'u banatin, khamsu banatin, sittu banatin, sab'u banatin, thamani banatin, tis'u banatin, ashru banatin. Okay. Thalasu sa'atin, arba'u sa'atin, khamsu sa'atin, sittu sa'atin, sab'u sa'atin, thamani sa'atin, tis'u sa'atin, ashru sa'atin. MashaAllah. You got the idea? Now quickly, we still have 2 minutes. Okay, brother, page number 108. Al-kalimatul jadidatu. We skipped that. Al-thamanu, the price. Huh? Nisfun, half. Okay. Al-riyalu, jama, riyalatun. Al-hafilatu, jama, hafilatun. As-su'alu, jama, as'ilatun. Got the idea, brother? Ji? Huh? TTC. Bus. Okay, brothers? Al-baladu biladun. Jama. Urubba, Europe. Faransa, mukhtalifatun. Different. Those who know Urdu, they know mukhtalifatun easily. Okay. Al-yawmu, jama, ayyamun. Al-kirshu, jama, kurushan. Rakibun, jama, rukkabun. Kadimun, kudama. Jaibun, juyubun. Jaibun, juyubun. Almania, Germany. Yugoslavia, and Malaysia. Okay, brothers and sisters? It's easy. Please try to repeat it and revise it. Page 113. Page 113. Al-Kalimatul Jadidatu. Al-Majallatu, magazine. Majallatun, magazines. Okay. Al-Harfu, one particle, the particle. Jama, hurufun. Hurufun, very good. Indonesia. Al-Kalimatu, word. What is the Jama? Kalimatun. Alhamdulillah, brothers. We are on time.